Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Really quick, I wanted to show you guys this next Avon U that is coming out. It already came out. I just got some new updates for the Avon U brochure and wanted to share it with you guys. I don't really have that much time, but I will make another video for each of hopefully each of these, but I think there's only four. 4, 5, 6. 4. I only have 4 because right here it says that I've already did it, so it's been successful. So I don't think I did these, but I'm gonna have to go back and double check that. These 2 has not been done. And this one says successful, that I already did it, but yeah, see this one too. These 2 are the only ones that don't say it, so I'm gonna have to, well, there's really 4. Yeah, 4. So I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna show each of the products, all of the Avon U schooling. That's what this is. This is where you get your training. This is where you get your information. This is where you get all of your feedback and whatnot. But over here on this side, if you can see right here, I have all my badges. They've been completed completely. And you can also write notes in the bottom. You can read through these. And there's notes here. See, you not really notes, but they're like updates that you can read through. It goes all the way down. And over here is where you complete your program, which you can start here. You click on one and it gives you questions, gives you videos. You read through it, you read the questions, you answer them. Then there's videos where it shows you what you're supposed to do. You look at all of the videos. If there's 1 or 2, you can see, read, listen through it, watch it, and then go on to the bottom. And sometimes it'll ask you to download something or update something, or sometimes it'll just tell you you don't have to update anything. You just have to put in what you think you can put in, and you should be able to be done from there. But other than that, you do this to all of your programs. The more you do this, the more you will get all of your badges. But if you're a beginner and you're just starting off, it's going to take a while. Trust me, because it took me a while to get all of my badges. Plus, I still have more coming in. So it's better to catch up on the programs that you have now for these here. Catch up on these, because if you don't catch up on it, it's going to pile up on you, and then you're going to get more far behind, and you're going to end up getting more updates, and it's going to pile. So make sure you guys get those on time before more of it comes in, because Avon's always updating, and they're always putting in new stuff in the Avon U program. So make sure you guys catch up on that, so that way you won't be so far behind, and you'll be able to catch up on the updates of what people are saying. And if you can go and help them out and let them know how you learn. But if they already know how to do it, then you won't have to worry about it. But just to catch up on things, you'll be fine, and you'll be able to get everything updated and running. There's buttons and things that you have to update when you turn on stuff. So I have not did my about me video yet. I know I mentioned that in one of my videos. I have not done that yet because I haven't had the chance to, but I will, and I will put one out. But in the meantime, I need to go ahead and have this up and running. Like I said, I got 4. So I will be doing a video on these to give you guys a feedback, or to give you, of what it looks like when you click on them. As a matter of fact, I'm just going to click on one. This one says it's going to take me 5 minutes. So if I can get to this before anybody, knocks on my door and the dog starts barking, I wanted to go ahead and show you this. You just read through this, and it tells you what to do. It also gives you free resources that you can get a hold of. And yeah, this one's about on Facebook, but I'm going to go one by one at it, and I'm going to go ahead and go through it and then complete it. And then after I complete this one, I will come back with the next one, with the next program that I have. As soon as I get that one done, then I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys that video, and then that way you guys can have so you guys know what what you're looking at. And hopefully this one is supposed to give me 10. About Campaign Insider. Yeah, I'm gonna have to read through this, go through this and see. I think this one's just telling you where to go for this. I'm not sure. I'm gonna read through this whole thing, and then from there I should be able to be okay. And then see, it's an in progress. The ones that says in progress is meaning it's not incomplete. But if you get the ones that are red, it's green, and it has a check green on it, and it says progress, then you completed it. And I don't know if it'll give you a badge, but this is all my badges that I got. So just to give you guys a good idea of what it's gonna look like, it says in progress, meaning you have not done it yet. So once you get that done, then you'll be fine. But other than that, it'll be okay. So without further ado, I appreciate if you guys would like to subscribe to this channel, and let me know your feedback. Let me know in the comments below any comments that you may have, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks, and have a wonderful day.